Are you ready to burp? I'm gonna teach you how to do a basic burp, then an extremely powerful one, then it's gonna be about melodies, chords, FXs, and tricks. The basic concept behind burping is about swallowing in some air and letting it out in a fancy way. Think about when you yawn. You go like this. Push in your stomach and let it out. Obviously, that's a small one. To do an extremely powerful burp, you need to swallow in some more air, just like we did before. Do it several times. Do it some more. Some more. You can get help from soda, just like this. And then let it out. Now it's about melody. You can do melodies by burping. Think about your vocal cords like a guitar. Apply pressure on your larynx. Find the right pitch. It depends on your configuration. You can do even more complex melodies, just like this one. Now, chords. Based on harmonic singing, put your tongue like this to make a two-tone sound. And then add an element just like this spoon to produce a three-tone sound, which is a chord. And now, a few tricks and FXs. If you are at a dubstep party, you can do this as a trick. It's called a wobble. Put your fingers like this on your throat. Prepare a big burp. And you have to push and let it go a few times. Just like this. It's very good. It's cool effect. Now, arpeggios. Use the technique about the melodies and then hit your stomach like this to modulate the airflow and produce the arpeggiator effect. Hope you picked up a few tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Share, comment, and bye-bye.